Hi everyone, I'm Nupur. Today we are tackling a very basic LeetCode problem, which is reverse integer. In this problem we have an integer array, integer x, which is of 32 bits, and it is a signed integer. We need to return the reverse of its digits, and the digit should not be smaller than -2 to the power 32 or greater than positive 2 to the power 32 minus 1. So it should not be, it should be in the range of this, and if it is not, we need to return, in place of reverse integer we need to return 0. So this is our problem, and as you can see in the example, x is equals to 1 2 3. So the reverse of the digits will be 2 3 1, 3 2 1, sorry. And in place of negative numbers we also need to return the negative sign. And yeah, so this is our problem. And our approach will be multiplying, taking an integer answer and then multiplying it by 10, and the modulo operator of x means doing the modulus of x will give us the last integer, then adding that last integer to the answer integer, and then we will get 10, we will get the number added to the answer, and we have multiplied with the 10, so last digit will be 0. So in place of 0 it will be added 3, then 2, then 1, such that our reverse integer and reverse of the integer x will we will get that. So I will type the code now. Firstly, taking the sign. So we need to take the sign of the variable, because we need to keep the track of the negative numbers also. So taking a sign variable is equals to -1 if our x is less than 0, else we will take 1 only. Then taking x equals to a absolute of x. Why we have done this? Because we want to operate on the positive values only. So we have taken the sign as negative, we have taken the sign variable as negative or positive, whatever will be the sign, and then at the end we will multiply that negative to the answer variable, such that we will get the negative or the positive signs. And now we have taken the positive value, and also we will take the answer equals to 0. Now we will use a while loop. With the condition of until x becomes not equals to 0. If we get our x as 0, we will end that loop. Now what we are doing is multiplying firstly answer with 10, then adding the answer with x modulo 10, giving us the last digit of x, and then doing the x equals x floor division with 10, which will remove the last digit from the x and give us 1 2 in the place of 12. And after that we have updated our x, and then this loop will go on until our x will become 0. Then we will simply return answer if our answer is 2 to the power 31 answer multiply, we will return answer multiply sign. And if our answer is minus, between the range of minus 2 to the power, double star is used for power, 2 to the power 31, and less than or equal to, with the close range. And then answer multiply sign s is small, and then we will return, in the range of positive 2 to the power 31 minus 1. I will use here parenthesis. Let's use double parenthesis. So here also we will use parenthesis, and let's use here too. And after that, if it is in the range of this, but if it is not, then else return, we will return 0. If else we will return 0, I guess, because if it is not in the range of this, then we need just simply return 0. So yeah, that's it. And if I run it, all test cases are submitted, are accepted. And if we submit it, it is accepted. And so its time complexity is big of n, means the number of digits in the x will be the time complexity. The loop will run only the times of the number of digits. And and space complexity is just big of n, big of 1. And okay, so thanks for watching.